Hello everyone. Welcome to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will do some previous year questions that came into your SSC exams from Jumbling. So, the exam name and the shift and the timing is given for your reference. So, we'll start with question number 1. So, this is alphabetical order of Jumbling. So, we are given 5 words: topology, topper, tolerance, together, tomorrow, and we have to arrange them in the English dictionary order. So English dictionary order means increasing order, or it can also mean alphabetical order. Okay, so for this, if you remember, we use the concept of forward rank, and to remember forward ranks there was a shortcut called AJOTY. In AJOTY, E represented 5, J represented 10, O represented 15, T represented 20, and Y represented 25. So you can remember this to remember the concepts of forward rank. So to solve such questions, we use that concept. Now let us come to this question. In this question, I can see that T is common in all. In fact, TO, these first two letters are common in all. So that means we will start looking at the third letter, right? So in this, the third letter is P and P's forward rank is 16. Similarly, over here, P's forward rank is 16. L's forward rank is 12. G's forward rank is how much? 7. And M's forward rank is 30. So now I know that 7 will come before 12, which will come before 13, and then which will come before 16. But I have confusion between these two words, that is the first word and the second word. So what will I do is I will move on to the next letter. So over here, the next letter after P is O, and O is ranked at 15. And over here, the next letter after P is P, which is ranked at 16. So logically, 16, 15 will come before 16, 16. So the correct order for us will be, the first word will be together. Then after this, the next word will be tolerance. The next word after this will be tomorrow. The next word after this will be topology. And the next word after this will be topper. So the correct logical sequence will be 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, which is option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct answer. Here you can see together, tolerance, tomorrow, topology, and topper. Okay? Now, question number 2. Again, we are given 5 words and we have to arrange them in the English dictionary order. Interchangeable, independent, intentional, interesting, interactive. So I can see that I and T, these three are, no, only the first two. IN is common in every word. Over here, the next letter is T, which is 20. Over here, the next letter is D, which is 4. T is 20, T is 20, and T is 20. So the first word is fixed, which will be independent. Now we have to look at these 4 words. In interchangeable, intentional, interesting, and interactive, E is common. So the next word is common in all these 4 words. So we'll move on to the next word. So next word over here is R. R is 18. Similarly, over here R is 18, R is 18. Next word after E over here is N, which is 14. The 2014 will come before any of these. Now, after R, the next word is C, which is 3. Right? Over here, after R, the next word is E, which is 5. and over here after R the next word is A, which is 1. So logically the order will be, the first word will be independent. After this the next word will be intentional. After this the next word will be interactive. After this the next word will be interchangeable. And after this the next word will be interesting. So the correct logical sequence will be 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, which is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be your correct answer. Now, again, we have to arrange these 5 words in English dictionary order. So we have publicity, precision, pubert, and pneumonia and perturb. Now, I can see that P is common in all. So P, 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 and P. Let us look at the next word. We have U, which is ranked at 21. Similarly, R is ranked at 18. 21, N is ranked at 14, E is ranked at 5. Now, in 21 and 21, pubert and publicity, we have to look at the next word, which is B, which is common. So, we have to look at a letter after B. After B, we have L, which is 12. And over here, after B, we have E, which is 5. Correct? So the order will be, the first word will be perturb. The next word will be pneumonia. In pneumonia, P is silent. Okay. Then the next word will be precision. After this, the next word will be pubert. And after this, the next word will be publicity. So the correct sequence will be 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, and 5, 4, 2, 3, 1 is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Now, question number 4. Again, we have to arrange them in given course of actions in a logical and meaningful order. So we have to arrange these 5 in logical meaningful order. Now, if I arrange them as per their sizes, can I get a logical order? Yes. So the smallest of them all will be a starfish, right? Starfish will be the smallest of them all. So the first will be starfish. Then the second one will be penguin. After that, we'll get giant tortoise. After this, we'll get shark. And after shark, we'll get blue whale, because we know that it is a very big animal. So if I arrange them as per size, okay, so increasing order of size, my logical sequence will be 1, then 5, then 4, then 3, and then 2, which is given in option number 3. So whenever you get a question like this in which you have to arrange them in logical sequence, so remember we did this type logical sequence jumbling. So in logical sequence jumbling, we were given certain words or certain phrases, certain sentences, and we had to arrange them in a logical form. So over here, if we go by the order of their size, we get this logical form, right? So answer number 3 is the correct answer. Starfish, then penguin, then giant tortoise, then shark, and then blue whale. This is increasing in size. So this is the logical sequence. Clear? Now, question number 5. We have to arrange them in English dictionary order. Now, junketeered, junction, junketeers, junketeering, and junctures. So I can see JUN is clear in each word. So JUN, 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 and JUN. So we'll look at the next word. Over here, the next word is K, which is 11th position. C, 3rd position. K, again 11th position. 11th position, and C, which is 3rd position. So between junction and junctures, I can see that T is again common. So we will move on to a letter after T. So after T, we have I, which is 9. And over here, after T, we have U, which is 21. Now, between junketeered, junketeers, and junketeering, I can see that ETE is common in all after K. So we'll move on to a letter after ETE. So after ETE, we have 5. E. After ETE, we have R, which is 18. And over here also, after E, we have ETE, we have E, which is 5. Now in junketeered and junketeering, I can see that the next letter, which is R, is also common. So we will move on to the letter after R. After R, we have E, which is 5. And over here, after R, we have I, which is 9. So the correct order will be, the first word will be junction. After this, we will get junctures. After this, we will get junketeered. After this, we will get junketeering. And after this, we will get junketeers. The correct logical sequence is 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, which is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be your correct answer to this question. Now, again, select the correct option that indicates arrangement of the given course of actions in a logical and meaningful order. So again, a question of logical sequence. Let us see. Open email account, compose email, start computer, enter email address, write the content and send the email. So very clearly we are sending an email. So the first step will be to start your computer. Can you send an email before starting your computer? No. So the first logical sentence will be to start your computer. This will be the first course of action. Then you will do the email account. You will open your email account. Right? We will open our email account. After that, we will compose our email. Correct? After we have composed our email, we will write our content, or we will enter the email address to which we are writing. Then we will write the content and then we will send the mail. So what we did, we first started the computer, then you open your email account, then you click on compose email, correct? Until here. Then what do? We write the email address to which we have to send the email. Once we do that, we will write the content of the email. And once we have the content of the email, we will send the mail. So the correct sequence will be 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct logical sequence answer. So starting the computer, opening email account, composing the email, entering the email address, writing the content and then sending the email. So this is a question of logical sequence order. Okay, question number 7. Again, we have to arrange them in a logical and meaningful order. So, chapter list, bibliography, preface, cover page, and chapters. So, these are the contents of a book. So, in a book, the first thing that you see is the cover page. So, logically, the first one will be cover page. Okay. Then, when you turn on the pages, the next thing you see is a preface. After the cover page, we see a preface. Correct? After that, we get a chapter list or an index. Chapter list is also called a index. So first we had the cover page, we opened it, we saw the preface. After this, we'll get a chapter list. Then we'll get all the content, that is all the chapters. Correct? And towards the end of a book, we'll get a bibliography. Bibliography means that we cite the resources used in the book. So the correct order will be 43152, and this is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be your correct answer. Okay? Clear? Now, question number 8. We have to arrange them in English alphabetical order, English dictionary order. So I can see M is common. Manuscript, minor, melody, malicious, and memory. M is common. We will move on to the next letter. Here we have A, which is 1. Here we have I, which is 9. Here we have E, which is 5. Here again we have A, which is 1, and here again we have E, which is 5. So in manuscript and malicious, we'll move on to the next letter after A. So after A, we have N over here, and N is 14. Over here, after, in melody and memory, we will move after E. So in melody, after E, we have L, which is 12. And here we have M, which is 13. Clear? Then in malicious and manuscript, after A we have N, which is 14, and after A we have L, which is 12. Clear? So first we looked at the first letter M, which was common. Then we looked at the next letters over here, A, I, E, A, and E. Then we looked at the next letter after A in manuscript, which was N, which was 14, and over here we had L, which was 12. Similarly, we looked at a letter after E in melody and memory, which was L12 and M13. So the correct order will be, the first word will be malicious. Malicious means that you have bad intentions. Okay. Then manuscript. Then we will have melody. Then we will have memory. And lastly, we will have minor. Minor means small, or minor also means somebody who is aged below 18. So the correct sequence will be 41352. 41352 is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct answer. Okay. Now, again, we have to arrange them in English alphabetical order. 5 words are given: magnetic, magnify, magnet, magical, and majesty. So here I can see that MA is common in each word. So we will move on to next letter after A. So after A we have G. G is positioned at 7, 7, 7, 7, and J, which is positioned at 10. Now, in magnetic, magnify, magnet, and magical, we'll move on to the next letter after G. So here we have N, which is 14. Again, N 14, N 14, and over here after G we have I, which is 9. So now we have to look between magnetic, magnify, and magnet. So magnetic, after N we have E, which is 5. After N we have I, which is 9. And after E we have N we have E, which is again 5. So now I have to look between magnetic and magnet. So after E, we have T common, right? And now, if you remember the concept of river and reverse. So I told you that river always comes before reverse, because up till here we have the same alphabets, right? And here we do not have any alphabet to compare. That means this word is complete and it will come before reverse. So using the same concept, magnet and magnetic, this word is complete at T. So this will come before magnetic. After this we have T, which is, sorry, after T we have I, which is 9. Correct? So, so the correct order will be, the first word will be magical. Then the next word will be magnet. Then after this, the next word will be magnetic. Then after this, the next word will be magnify. And after this, the next word will be majesty. So the correct sequence will be, this is 5. The correct sequence is 4, 3, 1, 2, 5. And 4, 3, 1, 2, 5 is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be your correct answer. Okay? Now, again, question number 10, we have to arrange them logically meaningful order. So we have 5 words: treatment, recovery, virus, symptoms, and infections. So the first thing that you'll get is a virus, right? The first thing that you get is a virus. When you get a virus, you get a infection, right? The second logical thing will be infection. When you have an infection, you will start showing its symptoms. Let's say you get some virus, you get common cold, then in that case you will show symptoms of fever, of coughing, right? When you show symptoms, you take a treatment, you'll go to your doctor and you'll ask for medicines, right? So you'll take a treatment, and after you have taken your treatment, you will be on the road to recovery. Correct? So the logical sequence is 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, which is given in option number 2. So option number 2 is the correct answer. So first you get a virus. Because of the virus, you get an infection. When you get an infection, you start showing symptoms. When you show symptoms, you go to a doctor and ask for a treatment. And when you get the treatment, you start your journey to recovery. Okay? Now, similarly, we have to arrange the following in a logical and meaningful order: displaying, sketching, coloring, and framing. So the first thing that you do is you make a sketch. So the first thing it will be sketching. When you have a sketch, you will start coloring it. You will fill it with color logically. Correct? When you're done coloring and when you have a final product, you will frame it, right? And when you frame it, you will finally put it on display for others to see. So displaying will be your last step logically. So the correct order will be 2, 3, 4, 1, which is option number 3. So option number 3 will be your correct answer. Okay. Now, question number 12. Again, we have to arrange it in logical and meaningful order. So core, atmosphere, universe, surface, and galaxy. Now, if you see, this is the earth, right? We have a core here, right? So the first thing we'll have will be a core. Then we'll move forward and there will be the surface of the earth, correct? This is the earth. The surface of the earth will come next. After surface, if we move forward, we'll have here the atmosphere of the earth. Now, If you keep moving forward, there will be other planets. We will have a galaxy. And if we keep moving forwards, there will be many galaxies in the universe. The correct logic will be 14253, which is given in option number 1. So option number 1, core, surface, atmosphere, galaxy and universe will be your correct answer. Here you can see. So I'll repeat. Let's say this is Earth, right? Earth has a core. Okay? Logically, we are moving from the smaller aspect to the bigger aspect. That is what we are doing, right? So Earth, when we move forward, we'll come to the surface of the Earth. If we move forward, we'll see the atmosphere of the Earth. Now, when we move forward, we come out. There will be many planets like Earth, Mars, Venus, Mercury, right? All these planets. And this will be called a galaxy, right? This is the Milky Way galaxy, correct? Now, similarly, like this, we'll have multiple galaxies. There will be multiple galaxies. So our universe is made up of multiple galaxies. So this will be the correct logic. We are moving from the smaller element to the bigger element. Okay. Question number 13. We have to arrange it in English dictionary order. The words are projection, professor, product, pronounce, and provide. So I can see PRO is common in all. So we will move to a letter after O. Correct? After O we have J. J is 10. After O we have F, which is 6. After O we have D, which is 4. After O we have N, which is 14. And after O we have V, which is 22. So very clearly we got our order. So the first word will be product. Then the next word will be professor. After this, the next word will be projection. After this, the next word will be pronounce. After this, the next word will be provide. The correct logical sequence will be 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, which is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be your correct answer. Now, question number 14, we have to arrange them in English dictionary order. So, likelihood, likeliness, likewise, likens, and likeliest. So, I can see like is common in all. So, like is common in all the words. Correct? So, we will move to a letter after E. So, after E, we have L, which is 12th position. We are forward rank, giving it forward rank. N is at 14th position. Similarly, W is at how much? W is at 23 position. N is at again 14th position and L is at 12th position. So, comparing likelihood and likeliest, I can see the next letter I is also same. So, we will move forward. We will go to the next letter after I. After I, we have H over here. And H is positioned at how much? 8, right? And over here, we have after I, we have IE, which is positioned at 5. Now, between likenesses and likens. So I can see after N, we have E over here, which is 5. And after N, we have S over here, which is 19. So the correct logical sequence will be likeliest. Then we have likelihood. Then we'll have likenesses. Then we have likens. And then we have likewise. So the correct logical sequence is 5, 1, 2, 4, 3, and it is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be your correct answer. Okay. Now, question number 15, last question for today. We have to arrange these words in the English dictionary order. The words are hatchability, hatchel, hatchers, hatchback, and hatchings. So I can see hatch, H-A-T-C-H, is common in all. So we will look at a word after letter after H. So after H, over here we have A, which is 1. After H we have E, which is 5. After H we have E, which is 5. After H we have B, which is 2. And after H over here we have I, which is 9. So between Hatchel and Hatchers, after E we have L, which is 12. And over here we have R, which is 18. So the correct logical sequence will be, the first word will be hatchability. The next word will be hatchback. This is C. Then after this, the next word will be hatchel. After this, we'll get hatchers. And after this, the last word will be hatchings. So the correct sequence will be 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, and 1, 4, 2, 3, 5 is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be your correct answer to this question. Okay, so this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.